Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how to place a credit freeze with TransUnion. A credit freeze, also known as a security freeze, is a powerful tool to protect your credit report and prevent identity thieves from opening new accounts in your name. It's free and won't affect your credit score. There are three main ways to place a credit freeze with TransUnion: online, by phone, or by mail. The quickest and easiest method is online through the TransUnion Service Center. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. To place the freeze online, you'll log into your account and navigate to the credit freeze section. You'll be asked to provide and verify some personal information, such as your name, address, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. The freeze is usually placed almost immediately. You can also place a freeze by phone. Call TransUnion's dedicated number and be prepared to provide your personal information for verification. The freeze will typically be in effect within 1 business day. The third option is to send a written request by mail. This is the slowest method. You'll need to send a letter with your full name, address, date of birth, and social security number, along with photocopies of documents that prove your identity and address. Remember that a credit freeze must be placed with each of the 3 major credit bureaus individually: TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian, to get the most comprehensive protection. If you need to apply for credit, you'll have to temporarily lift or thaw the freeze. This can also be done online, by phone, or by mail. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.